My name is Shyanne LaSheila of The Sensible Look, and I am spot on. I can find out a woman's style and curate perfect looks for her that are always spot on. Everyone wants to make their mark on the world, and through the power of fashion, you can do it. Patterns are an easy way to have a signature style and just brighten up your whole entire wardrobe. Today I will be working with a lovely lady who is going to incorporate some patterns into her new wardrobe so that she can make her mark on the world.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and I'm a staging coach for Showcase Your Place Home Staging Service. I'm grateful for being on Spot On and being a part of this makeover. I think that it's time for a new change in my life in the way of how I present myself. I'm turning, not revealing my age, but at a new stage, a new venture in life. And I think this makeover would be a segue into that which I want to present to the world, and which I want to present to myself as well. I like to do a new me for this upcoming season and season in life. So I'm grateful for having the opportunity to have Spot On help me to define what it is I'm looking for and how I would like to present myself to the world.
Hello, Miss Charlotte. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing well today, Shyanne.
I am so happy to be working with you. I've seen your video and I'm just really excited to help you today.
I'm glad. Thank you. I need some help.
So now I'm just going to ask you a few questions so that I can better understand you as a person, so I can make sure that what you wear isn't just stylish, but that it also fits into your life and what you like to do.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to ask you some questions about style.
Mm-hmm.
So I heard that you like to do staging with furniture and things. Is it like antique furniture or?
Basically, it's any style, but my preferred style of decorating is French country. That's my preferred. I love that style. But any style of staging is I'm open to helping people get their places the way they would like to have it set for them and their personalities.
Wow. So do you usually need something that's like more suited for casual?
I think I've been in corporate most of my working life, so traditional or I don't formal or not formal. I'm sorry. Professional wear is what I've been more dressed in for business purposes. And although I know that's still part of what I would have to do when presenting myself to a new client, is I don't want to come in with something wild and crazy. I don't think they accept me as potential. They wouldn't take me seriously, I don't think. But I do want to change, become less rigid from a corporate standpoint to more artistic in a sense. In a sense, maybe a little more relaxed. I'm thinking. I like jeans. I like wide leg pants. It doesn't have to just be jeans, but I like anything wide leg pants. I'm not so much of a dress lady. I would be too conscious of my legs, but pants, jacket, blazer.
Okay. So also, what would you say is like your favorite kind of accessory if you had to wear any?
I like earrings. I'm just venturing into necklaces, also bracelets, but those are the three. Definitely earrings. I can go without the other two, but I have to have earrings on. So
Yes, I understand. I love some earrings. So also, this is something quick. How would you describe your personality to someone that's never met you in like 5 words or less?
humorous, like to laugh, fun, I think, loyal.
Wow.
You said 5 words? Or
Yes.
do I have one more? Okay.
It was great. And lastly, a question that's kind of personal. How do you think that your personal style will help you advance in the next 5 years?
Good question. I think it would help me in the sense of becoming more me, who I am, not what employer dictates, but who I am. So that would, I think, bring out the uniqueness of me, my fingerprint in the world. So, yeah.
Well, I think I have everything I need to
All
get
right.
you what you need.
Well, thank you.
No
thank you. I'm
problem.
looking forward to this. It's an exciting new fork in the road, I guess, in the sense of style.
Yeah, it's
So-
exciting for me too because now I can try and see if I can get your style spot on. So we can help you make your mark on the world.
All right. Well, thank you, Shyanne. I appreciate it.
No problem. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Shyanne. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God.
So the thought process I had was, I know that you're doing staging homes, and
That's perfect.
I know when you're staging homes, you want to show people you're creative,
Yep.
and you can work with different colors and things.
Mhm.
So that's part of the reason why I want to give you some, bright colors, different
Mhm.
patterns that most people don't wear.
I love that.
I really like this because even though it's not, a blazer, it's just a blouse.
No, but I love that.
It has the houndstooth in there too,
Oh, it sure does.
which is kind of, like a very kind of professional pattern that I thought would be very great.
I like that.
And, you said you're humorous.
Mm-hmm.
And, I just thought, when you're humorous, you have a lot of bright colors.
Yeah, and that's perfect that's the style.
And I didn't get any wide leg, but
But
these
no,
are
that's wide leg. I mean, I just don't like the pencil. I guess that's what they
The
call
skinny
it.
jeans?
Yeah, the skinny jeans.
So yeah, I went with a straight leg and a boot cut.
Okay, yeah. Oh,
Yep.
Shyanne,
And then
you
for the accessory, all I did was get some,
my
gold
God.
earrings and a nice gold drop necklace. I
That
think it goes
is
with both of them.
beautiful. That's me. That's what
is.
I'm looking for. That when I said the image that I want to portray, that's it. You nailed it.
Am I spot on?
You spot on. You are spot on.
So now we're gonna just have you try it on, so I can give you a few more tips to take home.
Okay.
All right. So here is Charlotte in look 1. For this look, I decided to go with a pattern that's kind of eclectic, very unique, and has the primary colors because I just feel like it gives a really great pop, and it goes great with her dark denim jeans that she's wearing. I also love the necklace because gold is a neutral, so even though there's a lot of colors and there's a very unique pattern going on in the blouse, the nice gold pendant necklace and the earrings with the dark colored jeans, which are also a neutral, it just really brings the whole entire outfit together. She can easily pair this blouse with a nice skirt that's navy blue or red or white or any of the colors that's found in the blouse. And when you have dark denim jeans, it's a neutral, so you can wear with any top, any jacket, and it's gonna look amazing. The easiest outfit combo that you can ever achieve is with a dark colored jean and a colorful patterned top. The dark colored jean can be either dark wash or black, and the blouse or your colored top can be any color or pattern that you choose. The reason that this is foolproof is because dark colored jeans are not only a neutral, but they're also flattering to any body type. Also, that means that they will go great with any color or pattern that you choose to have in your blouse. This will definitely elevate your casual style. Here is Charlotte's second outfit. It's a beautiful paisley print with houndstooth blouse that ties in the front with some nice black jeans. I really love this outfit because even though it's has a paisley pattern, which is more casual, the nice houndstooth gives it a professional feel. So she can definitely meet her staging clients in this and feel professional, but also show that she's creative, and she can definitely take their creative ideas and use it into staging their home. I love this outfit because she can pair it with a nice black skirt or jeans. This is also can be paired with almost anything. And she can also pair it with some nice black boots or red pumps. I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Thank you so much. You really got this spot on. This is the look that I was envisioning when I was trying to think of it. What did I want to present myself as in way of style to the world? As mentioned previously, that I wore a lot of conservative dress wear because I was in a professional atmosphere that called for that wear. But now at this stage of my life, I'm going into my own business of staging, and it's kind of artistic, a little more relaxed than the more conservative wear, but it's not jeans and t-shirt anymore, because that's all I knew to put on. But this is really what I had envisioned, the look, the necklaces, the top, the pants, just the look that I wanted. And I appreciate what you've done. You are spot on for the style that I had in my mind. Thank you.
Before, Charlotte only wore t-shirts and didn't really understand how to transform her style into something creative for her staging business. After, with my help, I was able to put her in some nice, beautifully patterned blouses and dark colored jeans that really help her make her mark on the world. All outfits were provided by The Sensible Look, and for your own personal styling needs, go to theslbrand.com today.